How to fix Janitor AI and network error occurred, rate limited, or connection issues. Now, first of all, check your internet connection. Now, make sure your device is connected to the internet. Try opening another website to test your connection. Now, if it is slow, restart your Wi-Fi or switch networks. Now, wait and try or retry. So this error often means you sent too many requests. Wait at least 10 to 15 minutes. Now then try again. Now use different API keys. So go to your Janitor AI account settings. Replace your current OpenAI API key or proxy key. Now make sure it is working and not rate limited. Now try a VPN. It's optional. Use a VPN to change your API address. Now sometimes your API might be temporarily blocked. Now finally, or not finally, clear browse cache and cookies. So go to your browser settings, find clear browsing data, select cookies and cached files. Now click clear. And finally, contact support. So if the problem continues, visit the Janitor AI Discord or help page for support. And this is how to fix Janitor AI and network error occurred, rate limited, or connection issue. And if you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.